Death is the ultimate truth of life. Soul is immortal. Body dies, that's it. Any decision taken in anger is useless. Ego was the problem. You will lose your friends, family, love. At the end, you will lose yourself. You will be depressed. All your problems belong to your I. Don't do anything seriously. Do it for your responsibility. You are not doing anything. Whatever happening is by existence. Krishna is living on the level of consciousness. He was just fulfilling his duties, whether people like him or not. That's why I love Krishna. Nobody had seen Krishna, but people love Krishna. I don't know whether Krishna is God or not, but the personality of Krishna is great. I love that personality. Krishna always lived in present. Krishna called himself existence. I don't know whether there is any God or not. I don't know and I don't follow any religion. But I know there is something which is beyond our thoughts. Only consciousness can find it. That's why I always say that live in present, absorb everything. Kill your ego and your ego is I. We are nothing, everything is existence. We follow gods, we follow religion. My suggestion is follow it, but also try to absorb everything by yourself. Do not call yourself I. You are the existence. I am not able to explain all this. My advice is you to listen Osho and Krishnamurti. You will definitely start observing things. If something has happened in history and it is not related to spirituality, then I will not talk about it. And if there is something that has not happened and if it is related to spirituality, then I will talk about it. I am talking you an honest thing. In this world, no one cares about whether God exists or not. Those who care, they are sitting on the Himalayas, they are searching for God. The world's biggest pandemic is mental health. The basic thing is, are you happy or not? You people say that the world is developing, but the reality is that you people are destroying the world. Nature changes itself. You don't need to do anything. Just observe what is happening and what is not and fulfill the responsibility. Spirituality is not only about finding God, it is also about healthy life. We have not been sent to this world to find God. The day you find yourself, you will find God. If you had not been told through childhood that there is someone like Shiva, Krishna, Allah, Jesus, then would you have searched for him? No. If you had not been told who your father is, you would not have been known that other. If you are a Hindu, then you will worship Shiva, and if you are a Muslim, then you will worship Allah. Your problem is not whether you find God or not. Your problem is that you are unhappy. There is no one here who does not have sorrow in his life. I don't like to talk much about God because I don't know whether God exists or not. Jail is a place where people don't like to go. You will be kept impressed. People in jail want to die but do not want to stay in jail. Go to YouTube and search the interview of people inside jail. You will realize what I am trying to say. There are many people who have done nothing but are in jail today. You should not get angry. But if you get angry sensibly, then nothing bad will happen to you. Because getting angry is a human nature which can be reduced but cannot be eliminated. Therefore, reduce anger and work with sensibility. When you get angry, and if your mind is not under your control, and if you angry and your mind is under your control, then you cannot do wrong. Don't kill animals. Take action against harmful animals. You must accept one thing. If you do not have money or power, you will not get justice. Law is not made for powerful people. Use your brain, not your anger. Death is the ultimate truth of life. Soul is immortal. Thank you.